How to check booking on Is My Trip app. So here on the Is My Trip app, how to see your booking. So this video is very useful for those who are starting off with Is My Trip app and you don't know where is your booking or where your booking is. So there's two ways of doing this. So the first way is outside the Is My Trip app. As you see right now, we can't do it because of course we haven't booked anything yet, but you can check it by going to Gmail. The ones you're in Gmail, all you need to do is find the trip that you booked, and there you will see your book trip. Yeah, that's how easy it is. Now we're gonna go to the app. Now here on our app right here, all we need to do is open up our Is My Trip. Once we open up our Is My Trip right here, all we need to do is click on bookings right here, just beside home and voice search in the middle right there. Click on bookings. As you can see right here, oopsie, there you go, sorry. As you can see right here, view, cancel, reschedule, reserve. As guest users, you can enter the reference, book ID, PNR, and then enter the email address, then submit. Then here you go. As you see, you will see it right over here, but we need first to create an account. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. And there you go. This will look, what will it look like if you have an account. But if you don't have an account earlier, you can just type in like for earlier the like flight number and then whatnot, the ID. So yeah. So here, if you have already an account, like what I've did, so I've shown you the if you don't have an account, and I'll show you if you have an account. You have an account. Oopsie, sorry for that, guys. A little bit bugging. There you go. If you have an account, this will look like. There you go. You can see all the upcoming, canceled, and completed flights right here. So yeah, and you can also see the hotels, trains, bus, cab, metro, and all of those transportation and all of the features that are available right here for you guys to book. You will see it all right here in your booking. There you go, guys. Hope you guys see the books enjoyed. If you have more questions, type in the comment section below, guys. Happy to answer you and how to rock it, guys. And there you go, guys. And thank you, guys.